How to change address in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Log into your account using your user ID and password. Next, go to the settings section in your online banking dashboard, usually found in the menu. Then, select your profile tab, enter profile settings, find the address section where you can update your mailing address. Click on the address field, enter your new address carefully, and verify all details for accuracy. After updating, save your changes by clicking the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. If you have any trouble or prefer not to update online, you can call Fifth Third Bank's customer service or visit a local branch to change your address in person. Keeping your address updated ensures you receive all important statements and communications from the bank without any delay. And that's it. Now you know how to change address in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.